Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai desserts. That is coconut balls or Khanom Tom. Khanom Tom is sweet and the texture is smooth, soft and sticky. First we're gonna make the shredded coconut. We're going to keep the water of the coconut for make the filling. And now the coconut is ready, and then we gonna put on the steamer. For this one will help for the expire of the coconut and can keep longer. And after we steam for 5 minutes, and then separate one part of the coconut shredded for 100 gram and add some of the salt, quarter teaspoon, and mix it well. This one we gonna keep for cover outside of our desserts. The next step we gonna make the filling, the coconut filling, by we add the palm sugar or coconut sugar for 180 grams, and then add some of the salt, quarter teaspoon, and 3 tablespoons of the coconut water, or you can use just water for 3 tablespoons, and then heat it over medium heat and heat until the sugar has dissolved. It's used for 1 or 2 minutes. And after that we gonna add the coconut and stirring frequently. And this time we gonna turn the heat to low and cook it until the coconut has absorbed most of the syrup and the syrup has darkened for about 2 or 3 minutes. Watch carefully as this can burn very quickly. And now it's ready, and after that turn off the heat and immediately transfer to the bowl to let it cool. Once is our filling is a piece of cold, and then we gonna rolling into the many small balls to wrap with your dough, and then this one you can decide how biggest as you like. The next process is our dough. We will combine for the sticky rice powder with some of coconut milk and some the water that we add the food color grade, and then we mix it. This recipe I will use 1 color for 100 grams sticky rice flour and 20 grams of the coconut milk and some of the water. Normally use about half of the flour, but we need to add a little bit in one time and then continue to mix it until we get the soft dough. This is not fixed the quantity of the ratio of the water and flour, but if you feel it's too wet, you can add more of the flour. But if you feel like it's dry, and then you add a little bit of the water until you knead it into the soft dough. And now it's ready. You can see our dough is so smooth. And then we need to cover with the plastic wrap and let it rest if you don't use now. And the next one is continue to another color. The ratio is same as the previous one. And now it's ready for our dough and our filling. And then we're gonna wrap your dough. Make the dough into the like a large circle enough to wrap our coconut filling that you make earlier, and make sure when you wrap it the no filling showing, as you don't want water to get inside. And continue to make the ball until everything is finished. And now it's ready. If you don't want to boil it now, you can cover it and put in the refrigerator, and when you want to eat it, you just bring them to boil and it's more nice. We're gonna boil the water. Then when the water is really boiled, and then we put our coconut ball in, and when it's to float, continue cook for about 2 minutes, and then remove the coconut ball from the boiling water and press the coconut ball into the coconut coating to coat the ball. Then and now it's ready. And after we coat all the coconut ball with the shredded coconut, and then serve it. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.